And the storm scrambled air travel plans at DIA. Some 500 flights were canceled today and more than 900 delayed. We spoke with DIA officials who say they have a strategy to minimize disruptions.
Our snow team has over 500 staff, and they have different machinery, different types of machines. They're just at the ready. Our snow team is award-winning, especially for its efficiency, given it's Denver International Airport is one of the largest airports in North America. We cover 53 square miles, so they're ready and they can clear a runway as quickly as 17 minutes.
Impressive. Now, these disruptions come just a week after new federal refund regulations went into effect. So if your flight was canceled and you do not rebook, airlines now must automatically give you a refund within 7 business days. And all kinds of travel restrictions in place for area highways. I-70 is closed from just east of Aurora all the way to the Kansas border. And you can see all those other highway closures out on the eastern plains in red. There are also commercial vehicle restrictions for parts of I-70, I-25 and US 6, and those will stay in effect until tomorrow morning. Well, the storm and the closure of I-70 has stranded a lot of drivers out east. And law enforcement tells Denver 7 that all the hotels in that area are now full. No vacancies at all. And we found churches now welcoming stranded travelers.
I lose the bottle this morning. 10 miles per hour, my truck flipped.
Luckily, we have the support of the local community, so they've been helping and bringing supplies down and food for everybody, and it's been a great experience.
The weather and the road conditions are so bad out on the eastern plains, law enforcement is struggling to get to stuck vehicles. So the governor has deployed the National Guard to help out. And you could argue that conditions are better on the Front Range. That's not saying too much. There was a towing company we spoke to today tells us they've had more than 500 calls for service in 48 hours. They say that's unprecedented for this so early in the season.
We've never been down here in November working a front range storm when there's chain law, this much snow. The past couple of days have been sleepless. We've been working really hard.
Well, we appreciate it. They say the biggest culprits, driving without snow tires, driving too fast, and too close to other vehicles. And for the latest weather updates, download the free Denver 7 app for your phone. You'll be glad you did. We will send you push alerts about the weather wherever you are.